welcome back to my channel. Today I will be playing Don't Press the Button with my brother today. Yeah. And he's joining right now, so we're just gonna press play. And it's like a game where there's a button and then you press it and then there's actually something that will do, like something like that, or I don't know. And it looks like we can press it. And something comes out. I don't want to go in there because I've been in there and it turned me skinny. And no, I'm not going in there. I press the button again. What's gonna come out? Baldy. Baldy's coming. Baldy's gonna spank our butts. Oop, I almost fell off the edge. He should be joining right now. Baldy? Baldy? What are you doing? You don't look like Baldy.
He's supposed to have big eyeballs bigger than his body. Just kidding.
And he exploded. Okay, what's next?
Why am I not loading?
I don't know. Looks like there's a house. Okay, and yeah, I want that. Whoops. And of course, lava. Press it again. More people here. Bananas! Big bananas, cool. That's it. Dodge the incoming lasers. Oh. What? That guy survived. Huh? How did he do that? Okay. Let's see. And looks like I dodged it. And no one survived.
Mine's not loading faster. I should wait. Scooter ball?
Okay. Like another ball. And yeah, he's joining now.
I'm loaded.
I'm trying as hard as I can to get the ball.
Mine's still loading.
How come almost everyone has gravity coils? How does everyone do that? And I could see you, Aiden. Okay, let's push this ball. Push it. Oh, no one scored.
I can't see the skull.
Button's right here. Okay. On the yellow platform. Aiden, go on the yellow platform. Oh. Guess you survived. Didn't you?
I want to press the button.
Okay, it's a lie. It broke, but good thing. I didn't go. Boulders are coming. Uh-oh.
Oh, donka balls. I survived.
Wait, what? How did you do that? Press the button. Okay.
Wait, what did I press here?
Ooh, the train's coming. It didn't get us. Okay. Dodge the incoming lasers.
I survived. Oh, I didn't survive.
Only that girl survived. Okay. Press the button. Press it. Oops. The zombie's coming.
Ah,
What do you do?
get up on the ladders.
Huh?
Zombies are coming at them. There's no zombie.
No, just saw me. Oh.
We survived.
You did?
Yeah.
Sorry, coming. I want to press it.
No one pressed.
I pressed it. I think I'm just gonna stay away. Yeah, I knew that was coming.
What is it?
Oh no, but I haven't seen it, but I knew something's gonna happen. Drop boulders are coming. I did it.
I didn't. worm smash a dunk ball.
Press it. What's next? Quick, spam the button. Okay, spam. Okay. Spamming it. I'm pressing it. Let's see what the results are. Oh, wow, that's a lot. And the other one, I only did 170, I think, or 107. Let's see, where do you get that gravity coil? Gravity. Oh, that's 100. Wow, good job, Aiden. This is very fun. I recommend you guys to play this. Do you flip your tables? Flip it. Flip it. I flipped it. Oh, what's happening? Oh, but it fell off. I fell off the map.
I'm gonna do it.
I don't understand. Oh, you have to knock people out. I get it.
Oh, knock someone out. I should knock someone down.
Yeah, that's what you're supposed to do. Margaret, hello.
Teletubbies?
Yes, I'm free.
Look at me.
And I press the button. Yeah, I love this galaxy low gravity. This is awesome.
Probably you get it from the shop.
I seen this in a video and I thought it was so cool.
Yeah. And I think it almost made me cry.
Whoa.
No, give me the diamond
This
right
galaxy's beautiful.
there. Diamond.
Oh, now there's no more. Oh. I don't think so. I think something's gonna come.
It's gotta eat you.
Okay. We're going in.
To check.
Yeah. I wonder what's inside. I think we're gonna poop out of it.
Oh, I wanna poop.
We're gonna become poop. I already know it. We're gonna go inside.
Become poo-poos.
No, we don't turn brown, but our body parts go out.
No. Oh, no, I don't wanna go. I don't wanna go. I survived, I think. I think I'll use it.
Okay. Let's press it. Oh, yeah, I know this. You have to jump.
Ah!
You have to jump and don't go on the lines. Oh, no, I jumped inside. And my body parts scatter.
I'm in the box.
Yeah, you go inside an invisible box. And let's see who's leading. Oh, wow, he's doing so good. Oh, she fell. Okay. It kind of reminds me of Mario.
You get the gravity coil from here.
Yeah, but it's 150 Robux. Ooh, bang, bang. I want to press the button. I want to press it. Okay. Oh.
What? I thought this was like lava.
We.
The car rage.
Looks like we were the two persons who looks like he won.
How much is the radio?
Let's see. The radio's only 25 Robux.
Nice.
I'm thinking of buying.
If you want to donate, I think it's 10 Robux, right?
Yeah, and you get something special. Oh, I love this popsicle. Popsicles are so cool.
If you do it wrong, if you do bye-bye, then that means you'll win a box. Huh?
Oh, no.
Oh, I fell.
Yeah, kind of hard to control.
Can we go in the?
And then something will come up your head. We'll say something. Okay.
It's a mini butt.
And it said, I finished the obby and I'm proud. That's
I
amazing.
didn't finish the obby. I am so proud of myself. And I farted in my
Okay, I guess you can't do it 2 times.
Press the button. Did someone press the button?
Go to the hole in the wall. I did it.
I didn't.
Woohoo.
So open the hole. What's the lava thing?
Okay, let's press the button. Come on.
Why do I have a sign on it?
Okay. Oh, that's because I finished the obby.
No, I finished the obby.
Me too.
No, just kidding.
Boulders are coming.
kidding,
Or
I
you just
build
stay
it.
up here. This is the spot you go. No boulders will hit the button.
Ooh, this looks so cool.
Yeah, I want to do. It goes through the ground, and we're safe up here.
I make fun. Yo, hurricane! Can I fall off the map?
Yeah.
Oh,
But
no.
you'll lose, I think. Yeah, you're still here. It's done.
Where's the button?
Button. Okay, the button's still going. Okay, I pressed it. It's not going anymore. What's next? Boulders again?
Holders.
We just stay
I
up
have the
here.
coins. What do you get the coins for?
Money.
Item shop.
Speed coil. You could actually get a speed coil. Oh, gravity. That's gravity. Item shop.
Who got
coil.
the fake gun?
I only have 60 coins. Get out of.
Just kidding.
Get off. You're hurting the button.
Whose hand is that?
You're hurting the button. Guys, keep stepping on the button. Guys.
And I think I
I don't know how you do the
Who pressed the button? Me?
The hole in the wall. And yeah, I'll make it.
And what?
How come? I didn't make it.
Who was that?
A noob?
One victory royal.
Why? Okay. Can you get off?
Who pressed the button? Me?
Get on the platform, or else it will become lava.
How much coins I have? 80 coins. I have enough.
Press it!
Did I press it?
Oh, boulders again. I'm just like chilling up here.
On my head.
I guess that's it for my video. And please hit the subscribe button and do a like, and you can comment down below. Bye-bye.
Bye. Bye guys, see you tomorrow. Just kidding.